Okay, it's 8:30 and they're pouring in. So it's going to be a fantastic day. The weather's brilliant. There's going to be 1,100, maybe more, Jaguars of all different types. There's no wind, beautiful sun, not a cloud in the sky. What a great day. Oh, here we go, one of the guys from Glasgow.
Oh yeah, I couldn't tell from your accent. Have a good day. Well, you've got from Glasgow, so you must be doing all right.
Well done, you got from Glasgow, guys.
Oh, that's it, that's not bad. Go to the left, I don't know where the capital centre is. You go to the
Starting a nice line of E-types here. I think this might be quite full by the end of it. Nice paint job. PW10 Mark 10
420G
420G. V12. So this is a 2014 Jaguar F-Type R. It's the Team Sky car. It's specially converted to support the 2014 Tour de France. This is a 2.4 Mark II G-Reg 67. E-Type on tour. Sounds nice. That's a V12. Modern Jag. That's an F-Pace. Followed by a Mark II. 3.8. 1963. Nice E-Type in white. 4.2, 1970. You can give us a rev. Very nice, thank you. 1966 Mark II. 3.8. Mr. Whippy just arriving. I bet he sells out today. It's gonna be a scorcher. E-Type V12. Two nice E-Types. Is it a V12? Very nice. Sorry, what was that? 5.3? Right. Very nice. Eagle car.
What do you know? I'm tempted to put you in there anyway, just to see how many people we catch out. Does catch out a lot of people. Yeah.
Is it a V12?
It's not.
Oh, sorry.
It's exceedingly rare.
Why? What's so rare about this one?
It only made 6.
It only made 6. So what is it?
Straight 6.
Straight 6.
Series 3. Which just didn't happen.
Right. Left-hand drive. Did you import it?
I didn't know, but obviously it came in.
Yeah.
From New Jersey.
New Jersey, right. Another V12.
That's fine, because you could be in one of these. In that case, the line of
Californian number plate. Bit of patina there. It is a replica, but it's a very nice replica. This looks like a Mark 9. Yeah, two-tone colouring. Mark 9, definitely.
Get you down and to your left, see John and just tell him in your right, I'll park you from there.
There we have a C-Type.
first left and ask for the anniversary section and they'll park you up from there. Morning, you okay? Yeah, straight down, first left, ask for the anniversary section and they'll park you up from there. Straight down, first left.
This is an Eagle. Looks. Oh, 44EE. Here we have XJ. It's a 5.3 litre V12 engine. Beautiful racing Jaguar with very, very wide wheels. Stunning paint job. Really looks the business. Number 8 down the side. Very wide wheels. Leyland Motorsport Racing. XJ 5.3 C. This is a Jaguar I-Pace electric racing car.
I take the trolley as well. It's the whole thing.
Leaping Jaguar. Huge spoiler on the back.
Yeah, wealth management is difficult for different people, and for many people, wealth management is
Here we have an XJS racing car, number 1.
Just a few reasons that most of us are really because we used to see the close advisors 30 years ago, now there's 20,000. So many advisors will only